If you're looking for a luxurious way to travel, look no further than private jet charter. With the private jet charter, you can travel to any destination in the world and enjoy all the amenities that come with the top-rated air charter provider company Aviation Private Limited. They provide all types of air charter services in the world. Private jet charter is a perfect way to see the world and make some incredible connections. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you'll consider private jet charter for your next travel adventure. DM us.